Hi. One of the questions that always comes up is what you teach in your course, your 3-day course on Yamamoto New Scalp Acupuncture. So we always say it's Yamamoto New Scalp Acupuncture course and more, and we can divide it into two. And the first thing is that the first part, Yamamoto New Scalp Acupuncture, we go through and we teach in 3 days the whole Yamamoto Scalp Acupuncture method, which comprises of about 60 points, 3 different diagnostic zones, which allow you to use specific points for treating different types of pain. Could be musculoskeletal, rheumatic pain, neurological pain, headaches, migraines, tension headaches, inflammation in the joints, and etc. And also neurological disorders like stroke, Parkinson's, and MS, neuroskeletal disorders. So we go through the whole through those 3 days, and we teach the system. And then what is the second part of the course, that actually we use in the Yamamoto Scalp Acupuncture method as a tool, which is very, very useful for treating the disorders, but also as a tool in which we start and go over and explain how the approach for treating, for managing pain better and getting your patients in a better manner, and also how you treat neurological disorders. So basically we teach in a system of Yamamoto Scalp Acupuncture, and also backing it up with theory of some types of theory of neurology, fascia, channels, and using this method to explain the approach, how you can treat a neurological disorder patient and pain management in a better manner. So if you want to learn more about it, come and join us in our 3-day seminar, which is spread out throughout the globe. Thank you. Have a good day.